Good morning, children. Today we are going to begin with a new chapter that is the earth, our habitant. Our earth, the earth, our habitant. Okay. Now you can see that wherever we live, that place is our village and home. So all this is on the uh, all this is on top of uh, what all this is on top of what such questions arise in all of our minds, no? So the answer is very simple, that that my house and my village is on earth. Okay, so thus earth is called a huge home, which is very big, isn't it? So you can see this here, that we live on earth, and the place where we live is our home. It is maybe the village, maybe the city, whatever it is on the where it is on the earth. Okay, so let us know about our huge village. Let us know about our huge village. Okay, so you also want to know this, which is natural, you know that our earth is member of solar family. So again, what is this solar family? As we have also the family in our house, father, mother, children and all. So in the same way, what happened, we are here, we have the solar family. Okay, so again, what is this solar family? Let me give you the information regarding solar family. So solar system, first we have the solar system, that is our sun is self illuminated star of Mandakini galaxy. So our sun is having its own light, it has got its own light. So it is surrounded by many small big celestial bodies. So it is surrounded, okay, it's surrounded means aju baju, na? So it is surrounded by many small and big celestial bodies. Okay, so earth is one such celestial bodies. So all these are recognized as members of solar system. So due to mutual gravitational force of sun and the planet, all these planets rotate around the sun in a elliptical path, that is elliptical orbit. So earth is one of the planet of solar system. So we have the solar family, no? So in that the earth is one of the planet of solar system. So sun is having its own light, whereas the earth is not having its own light. The earth requires the light from sun. Okay, and therefore what happened, these planets do not have light. So what we do, we take the light from the sun. So thus planets, satellites, all planets, comets and meteors are included in our solar system. So what is that? What is included in the solar system? Planets, satellites, small planets, comets, meteors are included in our solar system. Okay, now here we see the first, let's know, the sun has the key member of the solar sun has the key member of the solar system. Now we have the sun. As I told you, when the day begins, morning, the sun rises and we begin with our own work, our routine work, going to school, going for the tuition and all these things. So sun is about 13 million times larger than earth. So sun is bigger, okay, and or larger from more than the earth. So if you want to make a revolution around sun, you sit in a plane. Plane means flight, okay, aeroplane, running in a velocity. Velocity means speed of 1000 kilometers. So it will take 107 years to complete one revolution. Okay, so otherwise also what happened, gravitational force of sun is 28 times more than that of earth. So hence the weight of a substance, कुछ भी चीज़ है तो उसका वजन, so the weight of a substance on earth weighs 1 kg on earth. Okay, on earth what is the weight or the vajan of the thing or the substance is 1 kg on earth. So it would weigh 28 kgs on the surface of the sun. So 1 kg on the earth, whereas on the sun how many kgs? It will be 28 kgs on the surface of the surface of sun. So it is because of this gravitational, because it is because of the gravitational force, okay, of sun. It is because of the gravitational force only that the planets are in their particular path, okay, and revolve on it. So the earth is about 15 crores kilometers away from sun. So it takes about quarter past 8 minutes for sunlight to reach the surface of earth. So what happened, the earth is 15 crores kilometers away from sun, so it takes about 8 minutes 15 seconds for sunlight to reach the surface of the earth. So 8 मिनट 15 सेकेंड्स लगता है कि उधर सन का रेज आने के लिए, ओके, बिकॉज क्योंकि वो कितना करोड़ दूर है अर्थ से, 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर. सो द सरफेस ऑफ सन इज ऑलवेज अनस्टेबल, ओके. सरफेस यानी ऊपर जो पोर्शन रहता है अर्थ का या सन का, दैट इज कॉल्ड, ओके, सरफेस. सो द सरफेस ऑफ द सन इज ऑलवेज अनस्टेबल. एक ही तरह नहीं रहता है, चेंज हो जाता है, बदलता है, ओके. सो इट इंक्लूड सेवरल किलोमीटर्स लॉन्ग ignited solar flares. So the earth is having its light, no? So that is called as ignited, means fire. So the sun's core is made up of hydrogen gas. So it produces light and heat due to the action of hydrogen and helium, okay, in air. So which we call energy. Thus, the sun is also known as the guardian of organism. Okay. Now let us briefly introduce planets. Okay, those planets are those are also in solar family. So among which Mercury, Venus, Earth. Then when Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars are the inner planets, whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are outer planets. Okay, so the planets of Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn can be seen. How they can be seen? With the naked eyes. Naked eyes means without using any glasses. Okay, we use chashma, no? Ainak we use, no? Like that way. So the Mercury, this planet is close to the sun. Okay, it is yellowish in color. So Mercury does not have atmosphere or satellite, okay, from the earth. So we see Mercury in the sky for some time before sunrise and after sunset. So the Mercury is it is closest to the sun. It is in yellowish color. Then Mercury does not have the satellite, and the Mercury we can see in the sky before the sunrise or after the sunset. Okay, so now we have the Venus. Venus is most dazzling planet, means it is the jagmag jaisa na, chak hota hai in the solar family. So in size and weight it's like Earth. Okay, so it is like the twins. Okay, we have twin brother, twin sister, no? So like that Venus and Earth are the like twins, okay, in the solar system. So it resembles the moon in shine. Okay, now we have the Earth. The Earth is located between Venus and Mars. Okay, so Earth completes one rotation round, एक rotation अपने खुद के axis एक्सिस में 24 आवर्स लेते हैं। अर्थ इज लोकेटेड बिटवीन वेनस एंड मार्स एंड अर्थ कंप्लीट्स वन रोटेशन अराउंड द सन। अर्थ क्या करती है, एक राउंड लेती है, लेकिन ऑन इट्स एक्सिस इन 24 आवर्स, while the earth completes one revolution around the sun in 365 days. Okay, so even after such a day and night, and the change of seasons can only be seen here. Earth has only one satellite, whereas moon, it is the only satellite of earth. Okay, so it takes approximately how many days? 27 days to complete its rotation on its axis, and also it completing one revolution around the earth. Okay, so there is no atmosphere on the moon. Udhar thanda udhar there is no atmosphere, heat, or there are no plants, there are no animals like that way. Okay, so there is no life on it. Udhar जीवन नहीं है moon में, and there is no water and atmosphere above the moon. It is non illuminous body. Okay, it is illuminated by the sun. It is illuminated by the sun. Okay, so due to failing of meteorites on the surface of the moon, large pits have formed. Extinct volcanoes, that is, extinct means dead volcanoes, are found here. Okay, dead volcanoes are found here. Okay, so till here we finish the part 1.